Hello food lovers, today I'm preparing a simple and delicious spinach and egg stew served with ugali. This is an easy Kenyan home style meal that is quick to make, affordable and very satisfying. Let's get started. So this is the pan we are going to use. First things first, we are going to heat a little cooking oil in a pan. We are going to add in our chopped onions and we are going to cook them until soft and fragrant. And our onions are ready. We are going to add in our chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften and bring out all the juice. Add in our salt, and then we're going to go in with our Royco cube or any seasoning that you have, you can go in with. Now we are going to go in with our already whisked eggs directly into the pan. We are going to let them cook slightly, and then of course we are going to stir gently to scramble the eggs. Going to add in our chopped spinach. Going to mix everything together and let it cook for a few minutes until the spinach softens. I felt the pan was a bit dry, so I added in some water. And look at that, it's so ready. And now we are going to cook our ugali. Bring the water to a boil in a sphere, slowly add maize flour while stirring, continue stirring to remove lumps, cook until the ugali becomes firm, turn it and let it cook well before serving. It's that simple, but as I always say, everyone has a way they prepare their own ugali. You can cook soft ugali, you can do the hard ugali, whichever you want. Ugali is ugali at the end of the day. And our ugali is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe for more simple home cooking recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, food lovers. See you in the next one.